Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got another smartphone. This one is from this company called Elephone. I'm not even sure if that's pronounced correctly, but they make a few different smartphones and they look very similar to the Galaxy line. But this one is called the U, simple as that, and it rates us for like under £250, guys. I'll leave a link in the description as always. It comes in two different colors, so you've got black and a blue. I picked up the black version this time, but yeah, so this is the box itself. So we've got the name there, Elephone, and just on the back we've got some specs and detail. I'll go over that later. So let's open up the box. So we've got the phone itself, so let's put that to the side and see what else we get included. So we've got two boxes in here. One of them looks like to be the cables, so let's see what cables we get included. So first of all, we've got a standard USB port with the right things. Let's see what voltage this is. It's a standard 5-volt charger, so nothing fancy there. We've got our USB-C to aux dongle adapter, and then we've got a USB-C cable for charging. That's this phone does have a USB-C port. And then in here we should have all the documentary, so let's open that up. So we've got a free screen protector, a SIM tool eject tool, we've got a free case, so that's always nice, and then we've got a quick start manual with all the details on how to set everything up, but we don't need that, so let's put everything away. And let's have a look at the phone. That looks very nice. So it just has this plastic cover, nothing else. That's the back of it. So I have one for the black one. It does come in the blue version as well. So at the back we've got a 13 and a 5 megapixel camera. We've got a fingerprint reader there, volume up and down, a power button. On the top we've got a SIM tray, and it's nothing. And on the bottom we've got a USB and a single microphone, hopefully. Well, the phone looks like a Samsung Galaxy with the curved screen, and it is stated that it has Infinity AMOLED screen, just like what Samsung does. But yeah, phone looks very nice. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to power it up and set it up, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, the phone is now set up, and let's just try the fingerprint reader. Works fine. Let me do that again, make sure it's locked. Let's try again. So that works fine. So that's really good, and it's pretty fast that you can see and work most of the time, so that's good. So let's go about phone and check what we are running. So we are running Android version 1.1 and the model number is U. Let's check the RAM and storage. So we've got 128GB of storage with 6 gigs of RAM, so that is really good, and it's powered by a MediaTek 6763. that is a octa-core processor, so that's really good, and we've got 3620 mAh battery. So on the front we've got 8 megapixel camera, on the back we've got dual 13 megapixel camera, and they're both from Sony's, so hopefully the camera should be good, but it depends on the software they're using. So let's check YouTube playback, because we have a 1080 by 2160 screen, so that's just 1080 plus. So let's check video playback. Let's go to my channel. Let's just pick this video. Let's wait for that to skip. So let me turn the volume down. And first of all, let's check the quality. So settings, quality, so we are getting 1080p, so that's really good. And let's check when it's in view mode. So it is crop here, but you can always do this and it goes edgy. You can see, guys, the way it curves down and everything, so that is really nice. and the volume is mono, as you can see. So if I hold it here, you really can't hear anything. Amazing. So yeah, I've used it for just over a month, guys, and I love it. It works fine. The build quality, everything is amazing. So you can see it's a mono speaker. We've got no stereo speaker, even though they have 2 speaker grills. That's just aesthetics, nothing more, guys. And let's see what else we've got installed. Nothing much, guys. All the standard Google apps. Just standard Google apps. Just got one service here and the Stim tool. Nothing else. So that is really nice. We don't have any lot of bloatware. Let's see what else. So we've got some themes here we can change. If you want to do that, we can do that. We've got some color ones, some simpler ones. We've got a few wallpapers, some nice ones. You can see nice and colorful wallpapers, so that's always good. Let's take one of these and just hit apply. Let's see how well the screen looks. As you can see, now the screen just goes all the way to the edge. You really can't see where the screen ends. Just like the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9, the way they are, that edge thing, which looks nice. I have to say that. If anyone holds this phone and they don't see the back, they'll just probably think it's a Samsung Galaxy phone. That's just how well they've copied the phone. But overall, the phone feels really nice in the hand, guys. It's nice and comfy. That screen is really good. Let's just see the camera. Yeah, it looks decent. It's usable. But I'll probably do a full camera test, guys, and show you a comparison. But for now, those pictures looks decent. Let's see if I can find the gallery. It's there. So those pictures, okay, they look not too sharp, but they look decent. They're usable. They're not like some over crap quality. But I'll do a proper test and let you guys know. So we've got all the Google apps, nothing more. Play Store works, so that's fine. So I can download PUBG and other stuff, which I'll do and get back to you guys fully in a full review. Yeah, nothing else to show, guys. So the phone is literally stock. You can download anything. So I've already downloaded a Nova launcher because I prefer that, and it's just much simple and elegant. So I've kept it like that. Got my Google Now here, so that will work. Go into Google stuff. I want to do some searches, so I can do that. So that's really nice. So what's the weather like today?
Today's forecast for Coventry is 9 degrees and partly cloudy.
So that works fine, so that's really good. Well, yeah. So guys, that's just my quick unboxing and first look of the Elephone U. I'm going to have a full review up very soon. I'll do some gaming, some benchmarks, I'll do a camera test, compare that with the iPhone and the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. And I'll give you my feedback and everything and how well the phone works. But yeah, guys, if there's any things you want me to try, do let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to try them out for you. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one, guys. Take care.